Hello, Form 6. Look at these two pictures. What do you see? What do you think we're going to be learning about today in math? Jasmine? Yes, we're going to be learning about length, all right? And also measuring. So today we're going to be learning how to convert customary units of length. All right, so let's go to the next part. How to convert customary units of measure. So the big tip that you need to know is that the bigger unit to a smaller unit, you multiply. So for instance, let's look at length, all right? Feet, inches, which one is bigger? Zachary. Feet, yes. So feet into inches, we would have to multiply, all right? Now, small unit into bigger unit, we divide. So let's say inches into yards, right? Inches are smaller than yards. So in order to find that, we will have to divide. All right. So follow this rule whenever you're converting units of measure. All right. Bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. Smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide. Are you ready to solve a problem, boys and girls? Yes. All right, so these are our reference tables. All right, remember inches are small units. Then comes foot. Then comes a yard. Then the biggest unit of length is miles. All right, also, this is our reference table. So now let's get started. Olga decorates blankets with ribbon. She has 12 yards of ribbon. She uses 22 feet of ribbon to decorate blankets. After she decorates the blankets, how many feet of ribbon remain? So, let's use cubes. Let's find out what's going on in this problem. Let's see here. Jaslyn, what are the numbers in this problem? Yes, you have 12 yards. You have 22 feet. Aaron, what's the question? After she decorates the blankets, how many feet of ribbon remain? All right. Alvarin, box the keywords. Yes, how many? Also, it says remain. So it's a two-part problem, two operations. How many, all right, and remains. And what are they looking for? What unit? Feet. All right, so now let's evaluate and solve. So we have two different units in this problem. We have 12 yards and we have 22 feet. She wants to find out how many feet of the ribbon remain. So we have to convert this 12 yards into feet. So let's do 12 yards. All right. How did we convert this into feet? Remember, yards are bigger than feet. So bigger unit to smaller unit, what did you say, Carter? Yes, we multiply. All right. We multiply 12 yards by 3 feet because that is our unit of measure. And Ariana, what do we get? We get 36 feet. So now we know that 12 yards are equal to 36 feet. Excellent job, boys and girls. Now, we have the second part of the problem. She uses 22 feet of ribbon to decorate the blankets. All right, so what should we do next? Stephen. Yes, we should subtract. We should subtract 36 feet that we found from 22. All right, and when we subtract, what do we get, Ashlyn? 4, 1. So you get 14 feet. All right, so Olga has 14 feet remaining. All right, so that will be our answer, 14 feet. 14 feet of ribbon remaining. All right, you ready for the next problem, boys and girls? Remember, always use this reference table. All right, if you can memorize it, that would be excellent. But this reference table is going to help you when you are converting customary units of length. All right, I will also attach one to the post today so you can use for your lessons. All right, now let's go to the next question. All right. So, next question. Mia buys 5 yards of ribbon to make bracelets. She uses 18 inches of ribbon to make one bracelet. How many bracelets can Mia make if she uses all the ribbon that she buys? So now, let's use cubes to find out what's going on with Mia. So let's see, cubes. Jaden, what are the numbers? 5 yards, 18 inches. All right. Now, Jessica, underline the question. How many bracelets can Mia make if she uses all the ribbon that she buys? Excellent. All right, Chloe, box the keywords. How many? All. That's a very good keyword. Now, let's evaluate and solve. So, we have 5 yards of ribbon, and she needs 18 inches to make one bracelet. That's another keyword right there. 18 inches for one bracelet. Let's circle that number. One bracelet, 18 inches. All right. So, 18 inches equals one bracelet. Right? So, how many can she make in 5 yards? So we need to convert yards into inches. All right, so let's look at our reference table. 1 yard equals 36 inches. All right, so we have to multiply because yards are larger than inches. So let's multiply. 36 inches times 5 yards. And we get, let's see what we get here. William, can you solve this for us? All right. Good job, William. 15 plus 3. Excellent job, William. So we have 180 inches is equal to 5 yards. Now that we found out how many inches, right, we need to find out how many bracelets can Mia make now. We know that 18 inches equals one bracelet. So what do we do next? Let's see. Kanai. Yes, we have to divide. You have to divide 18 inches that makes one bracelet by 180 inches. Okay. Now, how many times does 18 go into 18? One time. Excellent job, Juliet. Also bring down the 0. How many times 18 goes into 0? 0 times. So we can make a maximum amount of how many bracelets? Casely? 10 bracelets. So our answer will be B. Thank you, Clifton. So, boys and girls, in order to convert customary units of measure, you have to remember, bigger units into smaller units, you multiply. Smaller units to bigger units, you divide. All right? And then you'll have no problem converting units. All right? Always keep a reference table around in case you forget how many inches are in a foot or how many yards are in a mile. All right? Keep that reference table around. All right? So, that's it for today's math review, boys and girls. I hope you guys understood how to convert customary units of measure. All right. Don't forget our rule of the day. When you're converting bigger unit to smaller unit, you multiply. Smaller unit to bigger unit, you divide. All right. We have customary units of length, capacity, and weight, and you use the same rule for all customary units. Okay. This rule right here is going to be the rule that you're going to need for the week. Okay? So, I'm going to post this today. All right? I want you to do the math quizzes that I have for you. If you need extra help, I put 2 videos to help you. All right? I put some math quizzes there. Please comment when you finish the math quiz. I want to know what's your score. Okay? All right? Once you finish the math quiz, I want to know what's your score. So please comment underneath the math review post. Okay? So I hope you have a great weekend. Enjoy the beautiful weather outside this weekend. All right? And stay safe. All right? Bye-bye, Form 6.